Alright, we got everything back together. We got the carburetor on, we got the fuel pump on. I went ahead and took the gas tank out. We went and got $8, $10 worth of gas. We cleaned the truck out. It's the best we're going to do. We got Minnie in the truck here. What do you think of these trucks? I think the steering wheel just sits way too low. You know, it's kind of a joke.
I would have known one myself, but...
Huh? Why not?
Because I don't like old trucks.
Okay. That's good for you. A lot of people out there like them.
I know.
So all I want you to do is turn it over. That's it. Don't pump the gas. Don't do anything. You got the emergency brake on?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And that's what it's like, living with the woman. That's what it's like, guys. I'm sorry, did she say something? I'm sorry. What did you say? I didn't hear you. I was getting the tool.
I know you didn't hear me, but
Okay.
I'm sure they heard me.
What? Tell us.
That you're a big fucking asshole?
I'm an asshole.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to make some money for us to pay our bills here.
That has nothing to do with it.
Okay. Well, how am I an asshole then? Alright, just hang tight, okay? I know you want to go back in the house. Just wait. So we're going to try to get this thing running. I'm hoping for the best. The main objective on the fuel system was the accelerator pump. The little rubber stopper, whatever it was, the little plunger was actually stuck in the carburetor, but we went ahead and rebuilt the whole thing anyway. So let's go ahead and see what happens to our 76 Chevy 4x4 short bed truck that I'm hoping to sell. Hopefully to sell. All right, just go ahead and turn it over. We'll get the oil pumped up in there first. What do you mean, nothing?
Well, is it doing anything?
Don't fucking tell me that. Motherfucking man. Well, we're still having electrical problems on it. Now this is fucking pissing me off because we're going to end up selling this like it is. I ain't putting no more fucking money in it. Okay, I ain't fucking doing it. Nothing. Shit. Fucking bitch. Alright, we're gonna have to see if we can adjust this fucking switch so it'll work, so we'll be back. Okay, so what I had to do is drop the steering column and adjust the switch right there. I had to pull it up so the lock mechanism will be pushing on it. Now, we also found out that our neutral safety switch doesn't work either, so we're going to have to figure out what this steering column is out of and get a new neutral safety switch. It does say 83 on there, so this might be out of an 83, I don't know. But I don't think this is the original column. Okay, you ready?
Sure.
All you gotta do is stand there and turn the key, that's it, nothing else. Okay, hang on a minute, Minnie, let me do this. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift the steering column back up into its original place because I don't like the way the shifter linkage is binding. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. If I can get this bolt in here just to hold it up so the shifter linkage isn't binding on us. Go ahead and start this one on here. We're just going to leave this hanging here. Our neutral safety switch isn't working, so that's one problem. I think I fixed the other one. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Alright, why don't you come over here now, and then all you got to do is turn that. Here we go. Okay, come on. Give it a little gas and hold it. Right there. Don't let go. Okay, I got to get a neutral safety switch for it. We'll get the steering column back in gear, and I think we got ourselves a seller here. So I'm thinking that the problem we're having here is going to be that this is out of an 83, because there is an 83 mark on it, and I think that the neutral safety switch on the 83 is going to be different. So we're going to go ahead and research that and see what we got. We still got to go to the junkyard. I'm going to go ahead and get a gauge face for it, and we're going to see if we can pick up a front bumper to go on this thing at the junkyard. So we got a couple pieces we're going to buy at the junkyard. If I can find a better grill than that I could paint and make it look good, I'll do that. And we're going to try to clean this thing up so we can get it sold. Running good. The fuel system was screwed. We got it all working. Everything's working great. Carburetor's rebuilt now. Runs great. We got the fuel tank cleaned out. We got brand new fuel pump that we installed, and it's a running truck. And one more important thing, I don't know if you noticed, there wasn't no smoke coming out of this. Now, the old man that I bought this from said that the original owner actually was an airplane mechanic, and he rebuilt that engine, and it's blueprinted and balanced. The oil is crystal clean. It doesn't have any leaks. I'm thinking maybe he did rebuild it. That thing is a strong runner. You heard it. Strong runner. Okay, so what we did, we went ahead and replaced that baby right there. This is the neutral safety switch. Let me show you how that works. There's a little stud that sticks out, and it goes in the column, so when you put it in park, it puts it in that position there, but when it's in drive, it does that. And this was actually bad, so we went ahead and replaced it, and it all works now. So we'll leave that there for whoever buys it to let them know that we replaced it.
What does a neutral safety switch do?
A neutral safety switch is for when the car's in drive, you can't turn the key over and start it, and it takes off.
Oh, okay.
It only will start in neutral and park.
Got it.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to start it. This is for sale. It is for sale. It's going to be sold. We're going to sell it. This is and I got to turn that on, but everything's working, so we're going to get the camera out here. Minnie's going to come in here, turn the key over, and once we get started, we're going to take it for a test drive. We're going to cross our fingers that this thing runs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hook the battery up. Now, the battery does not go with the car when we sell it. This is not my battery. Whoever buys this truck is going to have to supply their own battery, and there's nothing I can do about that because this battery is not mine. And that's the whole skinny of the story. So we got the battery hooked up. I still think the carburetor is going to need some work. I think those things on the bottom, I forgot the name of them, I think they're leaking. And the fuel pump is actually draining back down. Now, this could be because we're not driving it every day and all this. But I'm going to go ahead and ask Minnie to please turn it over. Keep going.
You want me to give it gas?
No, turn it over. Hold it. Okay, we might not even need this. Okay, go ahead and turn it over. Hold the gas pedal. Alright, so you see it does start right up. It runs really good. This is the first time I've started it in over 2 weeks. We're gonna get inside it. I'm gonna see if it'll run, if it'll drive, and hopefully it's a running, driving, short bed Chevy 76 model 4x4 truck for sale.
Oh, hell yeah. That baby's running good. A little bit of tweaking, it'll be a great, great truck.
Okay, look at that, huh? It's running, it's driving, it's for sale. It's called Pete's Used Car Lot right here. We got a lot of smoke coming off the transfer case, but so what?
It runs and
It
drives.
runs, right? Did it run?
It ran.
It drove. I went all the way down. See that big giant tree down? I went past that tree
Yeah.
and came back. So we're gonna load this thing up because I actually have someone that's gonna buy it. We're gonna take it down there, and you're coming with us as our buddy Justin, rancher guy Justin, gets himself another 4x4 Chevy short bed truck. What do you think?
There you go.
It runs, it drives. Let's go get the truck. Let's load it up and get ready to leave in the morning.
Alright, here we go.
That fucking engine, let me tell you. It's that thing, I think it's blueprint and balanced like the guy said.